welcome to Art Time. I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Karina.
And today we are doing the fun art project of creating a silly snail. Shilly. The things that we will need today, what are those, Karina?
You'll need some decorative we have some jewels here, but if you want to use buttons or cotton balls
Or glitter.
We're going to use jewels today for the snail's
Body.
And
shell.
And then you'll also need some glue.
And we at the camp, we like to pour glue into little glue containers and have the kids paint the glue on, which is really helpful for spilling.
And then for his head, we'll need some scissors, paper. We choose yellow for his color. And then, what are those called again, Rebecca?
These are called pipe cleaners.
You'll need some pipe cleaners and some googly eyes.
Googly eyes, yes.
All right. So once you have all of your supplies, what is our first move?
Our first move is to create the snail's shell. As you can see, we painted our jewels on in a circle. And so the thing that you can do for your little kids, if you have a class of younger kids, is that they can take a permanent marker and they can create their line at first so that they can see where they're supposed to be putting their jewels. That's a really helpful tip. So,
or for the older kids, they could make their own design.
Yes, it doesn't have to be in a circle. So for little kids, they would do something like this. The other fun thing that you can do is allowing your kids to be as creative as they possibly want, is that they can take any white all along here and you can give them glue and glitter or markers, and they can create designs all along the outer shell of our snail. Should we get started?
Yeah, I think we should.
Okay, so taking our glue first, we're gonna pour a little bit into our glue cup. And like we said, is you take a paintbrush and the little kids can just glue right on the line. And to not do it all at one time, so that they can take a couple jewels at a time so that the glue doesn't dry, and just put the jewels right on there.
So why don't you take this time, decide how you would like to do it, if you want to use a marker first or you want to go straight on creating your shell. Let's get to it.
Well, didn't we have fun creating our shells? And the thing is that you can have all different things to create shells. This could be a math project where they have to figure out dimensions, or having just markers, or this is a fun thing that the shells can be created however you would like. And then now we will take our piece of papers and we will do the heads. So what you will need again is a template for the head.
And we'll put it in the link below.
The link below. We're going to use this snail's head today. So what you'll do, or what you'll have the kids do, is they'll even could share a template with their neighbor, and you just have them lay the snail's head down on the piece of paper and just draw or trace the head. And so then what they will do is they'll just take their scissors and cut out the snail's head. While Karina is cutting out her snail's head, what we're going to do is you're gonna want to have the kids figure out how they want their head placed. And once it's underneath their shell, they can kind of see where the mouth should be. So I'm gonna create mine about halfway down. We're gonna create a big smile on this snail because he's having a terrific day. So here is my smile, and then what we're gonna do is you're gonna take a pipe cleaner, the pipe cleaner that they choose, the color, and you're gonna create where the eyeballs will go. So I'm going to do roughly about this big of your pipe cleaners, and that goes on the back. If the kids on the smiley face, if they lay that down flat, Karina's gonna help me put
We need some tape
some
also
tape.
for the splice.
Mm-hmm.
So here's some tape.
And this is allowing for the shell to dry also, so that's helpful. And we just placed our tape right on the back of our snail's head. And those is where the eyes will go. So then once you have that taped down, again, painting the glue on. Thank you. All the kids will need to do is put a little bit of glue on the back and place it right on top of the pipe cleaners. And they will want to do this and leave it alone so it dries onto the pipe cleaners. Once that the eyeballs are dry, as you can see on the very back, they're dry, and your shell is dry, you'll want the kids to gently flip over their shell, and again grab a piece of tape, and easy peasy, just tape it right to the back. And voila. And here we have our silly snail.
That was fun.
It was. It was a very crafty day today. Lots of glitter everywhere. So we want to once again thank you for joining us at Art Time. I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Karina.
And remember, clean up your spaces, especially the glitter, and have a wonderful day.